Jai Shri Krishna. See question number 94. If you have material, let's write down the question. Those who are having material, write down the question. For a positive integer n, for a positive integer n, for a positive integer n and non-zero digits ABC, non-zero digits ABC, let an let an be the n-digit number an be the n-digit number each of whose digits is equal to a, each of whose digits equal to each of whose digits equal to a, let bn be the n-digit number each of whose digits is equal to b, which of his digits equal to b. And let cn be the 2n digit number each of whose digits is equal to c, which of his digits equal to c. What is the greatest possible value of greatest possible value of a plus b plus c, for which there are at least two values of n, for which there are at least for which there are at least two values of n, such that cn is equal to cn minus bn is equal to an square. That is the question. Write down all of you. Okay. See, here an is equal to these are n digits. Okay, these are n digits. So how can you expand this? See, suppose 1000 is there. It is 10 power 3 plus 10 cube. Okay, na? Suppose this is a into 111. This is a into 100 plus 10 plus 1. This is a into 10 power 2 plus 10 power 1 plus 10 power 0. See, if 3 a's are there, here it is 2. Here how many a's are there here? N. So it can be written as a into 1 plus 10 power 1 plus 10 power 2 plus and so on plus 10 power n minus 1. Here 3 is 3 minus 1 2. N is n minus 1. The same way Bn and so on Bn times. This is B into 1 plus 10 power 1 plus 10 square plus so on plus 10 power n minus 1. Right? Like C2n is equal to, this is 2n times. So C into 1 plus 10 power 1 plus 10 square plus and so on plus 10 power 2n minus 1. Right? Now, so this is 1 plus x square plus so on plus x power n minus 1. What is its expandable form? 1 minus x power n by 1 minus x. This is formula. 1 minus x into this one is 1 minus x power n. Also, it can be written as x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 if x greater than 1. Here it is x less than 1. Right? So, by using that, what is a n here? What is a n here? We will write here only. What is a n here? A into 10 power n minus 1 minus 1 by 10 minus 1. Here it is b into 10 power n minus 1 up to n minus 1 because this becomes n. Sorry. 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. Here it is c into 10 power 2n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. You know a value, you know b value, you know n, cn, bn values. So given, what is given? Cn minus bn is equal to an square. Cn is, see what is Cn? 10 power 2n c into 10 power 2n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 9 minus b into 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 is equal to a into 10 power n minus 1 by 9 whole square. Right? This is, see, 10 power n whole square minus 1 square. 10 power n minus 1 into 10 power n plus 1. This is a square minus b square. So, from these 10 power n minus 1 by 9 as common, once observe here, by 9 as common, c into 10 power n plus 1 by 9 as common, minus b only b is equal to a square into 10 power n minus 1 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9. So these two gets cancelled, right? So c into 10 power n, c minus 9c, 9c into 10 power n. This is a square into 10 power n in this side minus c into 10 power n minus a square into 10 power n minus a square into 10 power n is equal to, here it is c plus c minus b. In that side b minus c, b minus c, 9b minus 9c, because we have to multiply with 9, 9b minus 9c, 9b minus 9c minus a square, minus a square. So 10 power n into 9c minus a square is equal to, this is 9 into 9 into b minus c minus a square. See, what is given in the question, for which there are at least two values of n, at least two values of n. Suppose it is 0 for two values of n, for two values of n, 9c minus a square equal to 0, then c is equal to a square by 9, c is equal to a square by 9. If it is 0, if it is 0, 9 into b minus c minus a square equal to 0, b minus c is equal to a square by 9. What is c? A square by 9. Okay, a square by 9. So b is equal to 2a square by 9, 2a square by 9, sure. So a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b, 2a square by 9 plus a square by 9, that is equal to a plus 3a square by 9, that is a square by 3, a square by 3. So a must be 3 multiple, a must be 3 multiple. So a is equal to 3, 6, 9 and so on. A is equal to 3, 6, 9 and so on. A is equal to 3, 6, 9 and so on. B is equal to a square by 2a square by 3. C is equal to a square by 3. If a greater than 6, B comma C are greater than 9. B comma C are greater than 9. Here A, B, C are 1 to 9 only, because that is the number A and so on 9 up to 9. So these are the digits from 1 to 9 only, 1 to 9 only. So here if you will take greater than 6, this is not possible. Suppose A is equal to 6, then what is C? 12. A square by 3, 12. It is also not possible. So A is equal to 3, then B is equal to 6, C is equal to, what will get here? It must be 3 multiple. and 3 square. So a plus b plus c is equal to 12. That's the required. So write down. This is 9. Sorry. This is also 9. If you will take a is equal to 6, what will get here? A is equal to 6. C is equal to 4. B is equal to 8. So a plus b plus c is equal to 18. That is the maximum. So here the concept is this one. Expandable form of a number, and then which formula I have to use here? See, this is the formula what we have to use. It is beautiful application. చూడండి ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి, చాలా మంచి అప్లికేషన్ ఇది. ఈ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోండి. 10 power n లో లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇది. కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ 0 అయినప్పుడు విల్ గెట్ ద వాల్యూస్ మినిమం లీస్ట్ 2 వాల్యూస్ ఫర్ n. నోట్ చేయండి. Write down, all of you, write down. Make it fast. Okay. See next question. Question number 95. How many ordered pairs A comma B how many ordered pairs A comma B how many ordered pairs A comma B of positive integers satisfies the equation of positive integers satisfy the equation A times B plus 63 is equal to 20 times LCM of A comma B plus 12 times GCD of A comma B. Very good. A beautiful application. చాలా మంచి క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. సో హౌ మెనీ ఆర్డర్డ్ pairs of A comma B? చాలా చాలా మంచి క్వశ్చన్. సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్సో. చూడండి, LCM of A comma B is equal to X, HCF of A comma B is equal to Y, then X into Y is equal to what? If two numbers are given and their LCM is given, HCF is given, what is the relation among the numbers and their LCM and HCF? Numbers ఇచ్చి LCM HCF ఇచ్చినప్పుడు what is the relation? LCM HCF కి numbers కి ఉన్న రిలేషన్ ఏంటి? Product of numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF, right? So now given, what is given? AB nothing but XY plus 63 is equal to 20x plus 12y, right? So if you will transpose into RHS, see what happened here. 20x plus 12y minus xy minus 63 equal to 0. Minus 63 equal to 0. Now it is to be factorized. Better xy minus 20x minus 12x plus 63 equal to 0. If we can express this into, let x minus alpha into x minus beta, we can simplify this easily. So what is x minus alpha into x minus beta? Xy minus beta x minus y తీసుకుందాం minus alpha y plus alpha beta. Suppose it can be written as x minus alpha x is 20 into this is y. Y minus 12. What is 20 into 12? Plus 240. So minus 240 plus 63 is there already, equal to 0. So x minus 20 into y minus 12 is equal to, what is the difference here? 63 means 77, 140. So 177. So now 177 can be written as product of two positives, that is 1 into 177. It is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, I think. 3 into 59. 59 is prime. So no more options. Right? So x minus 20 is equal to 3. X minus 20 is equal to 3, and y minus 12 is equal to 59, and x minus 20 is equal to 59, and y minus 12 is equal to 3. It is one possible pairs xy values. Here LCM of AB greater than HCF. So x greater than y. So now verify with x greater than y. And two more cases also we'll get, that is x minus 20 is equal to 177 and y minus 12 is equal to 1. That is also one case. So here it is not possible, I think. This case fails by using this property x greater than y. So here x is equal to 79, y is equal to 15, and x is equal to 199, y is equal to 13. These two are the possible pairs. So what we have to find? How many ordered pairs of AB satisfies the integers? Okay, so two ordered pairs. Number of xy required, number of AB required. Write down. One minute, one minute, one minute. Once observe here, from these two, x has common y minus 12. So, sorry, y has common x minus 12. So this is x minus 12 into y minus 20 minus 240 plus 63 equal to 0. So x minus 12 times y minus 20 is equal to 177. So x minus 12 is equal to 177, y minus 20 is equal to 1. Like x minus 12 is equal to 59, y minus 20 is equal to 3. So now the possible pairs for x comma y are 190, 189, 189 comma 23, 189, 21, and x minus y, in this case this is 71 comma 23, 71 comma 23. So number of AB required 2. So from these two, y has common, x minus 12 will comes. That's why. Better to change it. Not 3663. Not 3663. Not 3663, that is. Write down, write down. ఫాస్ట్గా నోట్ చేయండి. Okay, we found the HCF and LCM. See, in this case, we can find only one pair. That is the one pair. HCF and LCM is one pair only. A comma B. Here, these two are co-prime. These two are co-prime. So let A is equal to 71, B is equal to 23. A is equal to 71 or B is equal to 23. Or now come to here. This is 21 into 9, 21 into 1. Here 9 and 1 co-prime. Here 1 pair. So A is equal to here LCM is 189, HCF is 21. LCM is 189 because multiple 189 is multiple of 21. So 189, B is equal to 21. Only two pairs will come for AB. Okay. See next question. See the next question. Suppose that 4 power A is equal to 5, 5 power B is equal to 6, 6 power C is equal to 7, and 7 power D is equal to 8. Then what is A times B times C times D upon 2 is what? It is simple question only. This type of questions are there in our regular material also. Exponents chapter lo regular material lo ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్ ఇది చాలా సింపుల్. 8 power 8 is equal to 7 power D. 7 means 6 power C whole power D. Okay. 6 means 5 power B whole power CD. 5 means 4 power A, 4 power A whole power BCD. So it is 2 power 3 is equal to 4 power ABCD, that is 2 power 2 whole power ABCD, that is 2 power 2ABCD. It is 2 power 3. So 2ABCD is equal to 3, but we have to find ABCD by 2. So ABCD is equal to 3 by 2. ABCD by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 is required. Write down. And also we have to find 10 ABCD. 10 times ABCD is 3 upon 2, that is 15 with the required. Okay. Note chain, first note chain. Right? All even numbers from 2 to 98. Next question. All even numbers from 2 to 98. All even numbers from 2 to 98 inclusive. Inclusive. Except those ending with 0. Except those ending in 0. Except are multiplied together. Multiplied together. Are multiplied together. Infinitely, what is the rightmost digit in the product? Try cheyandi. What is the rightmost digit in the product? Rightmost digit ante evaranడి? Nothing but unit digit. Nothing but unit digit. So try cheyandi. Here we have to use the concept cyclicity. Already we have discussed earlier only cyclicity. Congruencies ముందు డిస్కస్ చేసాం మనం cyclicity. Yes, this is the concept. చూడండి, ఈ cyclicity కాన్సెప్ట్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం 2 power 4n plus 1 ends with 2 power 4n plus 2 ends with 2 power 4n plus 3 ends with 2 power 4n ends with. ఇది మనం కంక్లూడ్ చేయాల్సింది. లైక్ 4 పవర్ 6 పవర్ like we have to find. Four power even ends with 4 power odd ends with 9 power even ends with 9 power odd and ends with 6 power n ends with. So by using this we have to find. See, 2 into 12 into 13 in 22 into and so on into 92. So here units place 2 multiplied itself multiplied itself 10 times, because here it is 9, 8 and so on 0. So 0 to 9 10 times. So 2 power n, 2 power 10 ends with. So 2 power 10 ends with what sir? This is 2 power 4 into 2 plus 2 ends with 4. Like 4 into 14 into 24 into and so on into 94. So 4 power 10 ends with 4 power even ends with 6. Next 6 into 16 into 26 into and so on into 96. 6 power n ends with 6. 6 power n ends with 6. So 8 into 18 into 28 into and so on into 98. Right? So 8 power 10 ends with 8 power 10 ends with 4. Now total product ends with 4 into 6 into 4 into 6, 6 into 4. See, this is 24. 24 units plus 4. 4 into 6 again 24. 4 into 4 6. So total product ends with required units place is 6. Required unit place is 6. Right on. Make it fast, all of you. Those who completed, do this 91, question number 91. This is question number 90. Given XYZ is equal to 2014. The product is 2014. XYZ belongs to Z plus positive integers such X less than Y less than Z. Okay. How many possible triplets for XYZ? For XYZ, number of possible triplets. You can try it. You can do it. That depends on divisibility rules question only. Try cheyandi. Simple question. So 2014 can be written as, so 2 into, it is divisible by 1007. So 2 into, it is not divisible by 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 5s, 85. Not divisible, 19, 19 5s, 19 5s, 95, 19 3s, 57. So 2 into 19 into 2 into 19 into, so x y z is equal to x less than y less than z condition to 2 19 53. Next xyz, so 1 comma 2 into 19 53, 1 comma 19 comma 2 into 53. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 19 into 53. These are all satisfying these conditions, x less than y less than z. So how many cases? 4 cases. Here also xyz is equal to 1 1 2014. So x is equal to y less than z. So it fails. So total how many possibilities will come for this condition? XYZ number of possible triplets are 4 only by splitting it into factors. Right? Make it fast. 1 to 20 questions lo evana doubts unnaya? Raise your hands. 1 to 20. So question number 92. In the following equation, each letter represents uniquely a different digit. Each letter represents uniquely a digit. Uniquely a digit in base 10. In base 10. Such ye into me is equal to ttt. Then sum of e plus m plus t plus y, e plus m plus t plus y, e plus m plus t plus y. Okay. Third question. I'll explain. What is third question? A 3-digit number ABC in that order is divisible by 9. A is an odd digit and C is an even digit. BC are non-zero. The number of such 3-digit integers Question number 3. ABC divisible by 9. A is odd digit and B is even digit. What is given? A is odd digit and C is an even digit. A is odd, C is even. Number of such 3-digit numbers. Number of such 3-digit numbers, and also given B comma C not equal to 0. అదే కదండి క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 3. Okay, see, let A belongs to 13579, C belongs to 2468. Then what will get? Suppose if you will take 1 here, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 8, its sum digits sum must be 9 multiple. Digits sum must be 9 multiple. Digits sum must be 9 multiple. Means